Dreams are still a mystery to mankind. After decades and decades of study and research, scientists are still baffled by the questions about dreams. Nobody really knows why we have dreams. It is hard to understand what goes on in the brain while we dream. As mysterious as they are, there are some mind-boggling facts about dreams that you probably didn't know. In this video, we're going to take a look at some mind-blowing facts about dreams. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting psychological facts video, where we discuss some mind-blowing facts about dreams and what happens in our brains when we do. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us and the amazing facts about the human mind we often bring you. Now let's jump right in. Number 1. Everybody dreams. Yes, it's true. Every person from babies to adults dream in their sleep. Experts say that people have about 4 to 6 dreams in one night and sometimes even more. Blind people also dream. People who are blind from birth do not have visions, but their dreams are guided by smells, sounds, and emotions. People who go blind after birth still see images in their dreams. A lot of people claim that they don't have dreams, but that is untrue. Everybody dreams, but most people forget their dreams or even the fact that they had a dream while they were sleeping. Number 2, you forget most of your dreams. Multiple studies have shown that people forget 50% of the content of their dreams 5 minutes after they had it, and 90% of it after 10 minutes. We generally forget due to the neurochemical state of the brain that occurs during REM sleep. This is a sleep phase characterized by rapid eye movements and dreaming. While most people cannot remember what exactly they dreamt, there are many that do. There is a study that suggests that dreams occur when our brain processes information to remove unnecessary ones and transfer important short-term memories to long-term memory. Therefore, people who remember dreams may have different abilities to remember things in general. Number 3. Negative dreams are more common than positive ones. Have you ever wondered why it was more common for you to have negative dreams than positive and happy dreams? Studies suggest that when we dream, our subconscious mind manifests emotions like fear, anxiety, sadness, and tries to resolve them in different scenarios and dreams. It is still unclear though if there's a bias when we're dreaming, and our brain selectively picks out memories and forms dreams around them. It has been consistently observed that people with severe trauma or PTSD tend to have nightmares and can barely have any positive dreams. Some people also suffer from chronic nightmares, even babies. Nightmares in adults can also be caused by certain sleep disorders. Number 4, you cannot read or tell time while dreaming. While this is more of an observation than a proven concept, many experts believe that it is hard to read or know the time when you're dreaming. This is attributed to the fact that certain parts of your brain are inactive while you're sleeping or dreaming. Broca's area and Wernicke's area are 2 parts of the brain responsible for interpreting language. These show significantly less activity while you dream. It is also impossible to even form meaningful sentences if the Wernicke's area is not active. This does not mean that the dreamer cannot understand the idea. It simply means that the interpretation of these ideas is different. Most people can identify what someone is saying while sleeping, but not certain words. Number 5, some people do not dream in color. You may think this is just a myth, but it's absolutely true. Studies have suggested that about 12% of people dream in black and white. This is usually attributed to people over 55 years old. While most people 25 and younger say they almost never dream in black and white, people that are over 55 and group with little access to color television reported dreaming in black and white about a quarter of the time. Number 6, dreams get crazier as the night goes on. A recent study in the UK showed that dreams you have had right before waking up are much weirder than the ones that you had right after you fell asleep. When you go to sleep, you're usually very tired and so is your brain. While you've just started dreaming, there may not be much happening as your brain is trying to make sense of the day that you just had. But as time passes and your brain becomes less tired, it has more energy to wander, and this leads to more vivid and erratic dreams. Number 7, parts of your body may morph in your dreams. Scientists are still not sure why it happens, but some people have a hard time recreating faces and hands when they're unconscious. Deformed bodies and shapes of body parts while you're dreaming is pretty common among some people. There may be a finger missing, a limb morphing with another, or the entire structure of the body is reformed. It is still unclear why this happens, but studies suggest that the part of the brain responsible for such functions is inactive while you sleep, which makes it hard to restructure body parts. Number 8, you can take control of your dreams. The concept of lucid dreaming is not new. However, not many people have experienced voluntary lucid dreaming. It is a practice which involves taking complete control of your dreams and having an out-of-body experience. You can train your brain to stay awake while your body is asleep. Lucid dreaming is when you know you are dreaming while you sleep. You are aware that events going through your brain are not actually happening, but the dream seems vivid and real. You can even control how the action plays out as if you were making a movie in your sleep. There are many ways to train your brain to lucid dream. One of them involves telling yourself while awake if you're not in a dream. Repeatedly doing this will trick your brain into differentiating between the tangible and the intangible. And once you can learn to identify that you're dreaming, you can decide which people to dream about, what to do, and where to go. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Number 9, you can dream within your dreams. You wake up from a dream and start your morning routine. But when you reach for your coffee, you notice your arm is actually a Terminator-style metal spear. Then you wake up for real. This kind of false awakening is a common thing, suggests research from Columbia College of Physicians and Surgeons. So are other inception-like dreams within dreams, though experts don't know why we have them. Number 10, external stimulus affects your dreams. Have you ever suddenly been transported into a music concert from a completely different place while you were dreaming? This may have happened because music had started playing in your surroundings while you were asleep. External factors like sound, smells, even touch affect what happens in your dreams. You may be hearing voices or smelling things and think you were hallucinating in your dreams, but those voices were actually playing around you. Number 11. You mainly remember dreams that end abruptly. Have you ever woken up and thought that you had a pretty satisfying dream but can barely remember any details about them? On the other hand, if you're abruptly woken up in the middle of a dream, you tend to remember most bits of the content of it. You usually remember only those dreams that you wake up in the middle of. Our brain automatically begins erasing dreams from memory as soon as the dream ends. Number 12, sleep paralysis is a real thing and frightening. Sleep paralysis is the feeling of being conscious but unable to move. It occurs during a person's transition between the waking and sleep stages. During these transitions, you may not be able to move or speak for a few seconds to several minutes. Some people may feel pressure or choking. It's not clear why and how this happens. Researchers believe that sleep paralysis is caused by interruptions in rapid eye movement cycles, as it most often occurs when people enter or exit REM sleep. At this point, their brains usually paralyze their muscles so they don't execute their dreams. However, during sleep paralysis, the sleeper knows that he cannot move because he is half awake or half asleep. Dreams are still unexplained by researchers, but we are learning new things about how they are formed and what influences them every day. Thousands of people are spending their lives learning more about what they mean and how it affects us psychologically and biologically. These are only a few of the amazing things you probably didn't know about our dreams. There are many more phenomena that surround the concept of dreaming which still remain unexplained. One thing we do know for sure is that everybody has dreams and everybody dreams differently. Until we uncover more truth and facts about this terrifying but fascinating concept of the mind, we'll be making sure to create more content to keep you in the loop. If you enjoyed the video and would like to learn more about the human mind, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. See you all in the next one.